This video is about how you can get your stream key from your YouTube channel, all right? In my previous video on how you can stream online in multiple platforms, I didn't specify how you can get your stream key, and I'm going to put that video at the end of this video for those of you that would like to know how to set up and start streaming in multiple platforms, Facebook, YouTube, and every other, Discord and every other platform, right? So I didn't really explain how to get your stream key from your YouTube channel, and that is actually why I'm making this video. Okay, this video I'm going to show you how the easiest way you can get your stream key from your YouTube channel. And I made a promise that I'm going to make a video on how you can create a YouTube channel in this 2025, which is quite very easy. It's not just a big deal. I'm going to be making that video. I'm going to be posting that video by next week. All right. But at the end of this video, I'm also going to put the video on how you can stream in multiple platforms. So let's just get down. Let me show you how you can get your stream key on your YouTube and where you can put it in OBS so that you can be able to stream directly on your YouTube. Even if your YouTube page is not open, you can stream from your OBS directly to your YouTube. So what you need to do is come over to your YouTube channel. Okay, this is my YouTube channel. Here you see content, and here you see dashboard. Click on dashboard. Once you click on dashboard, look on top right corner here. You can see go live. Click on that go live. Once you click on that go live, it brings you to this page. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is just to navigate to stream. Once you click on stream, this is loading. This is where you find your stream key. Okay, this page pops up. Come over here and cancel and say okay. Now here is your stream key. Okay, look over here. This is your stream key. All right, so here you see some other things like your stream URL. Do not let anybody to get your stream key. Okay, if you click on this button, once you click on this button, it will show your stream key. Copy this stream key and I will show you where you're going to paste it in OBS Studio. All right, but please do not allow anybody to get this stream key. Even all these things that are here, do not allow anybody to get it, because once I get your stream key, I can be able to stream on your YouTube channel without your permission. Once you put this stream key in OBS, it will start streaming to that YouTube channel. Whether that YouTube channel is open or not, the video will start going to that YouTube channel. So be mindful on whenever you're making video. Do not allow anybody, or whenever you're giving somebody access to your system, do not allow that person to get access to your stream key. So once you copy this, let me show you where you are going to put it in your system. Let me go to OBS. Let's go to setting in OBS. Uncheck this and apply. I think this skin is now showing. Now, once you get to OBS, what you need to do is click on setting. Once you click on setting, come to stream. Once you come to stream, over here, okay, use stream key. Once you click on this use stream key, you have to come here and paste that stream key. Okay, once you paste that stream key, that's it. Okay, you connect the stream key. I'm not going to paste it because I wouldn't want any of you guys to show it. Once you paste it here, so once you paste this stream key here, all you need to do is apply and okay. All right, your OBS is now connected to your YouTube channel. All right, so that's it. It's quite very easy. So once you've added your stream key here, you can now stream whatever thing you're doing here. Once you're doing anything and click on start streaming, it will start going directly to your YouTube channel. All right, so it's quite very easy for you to get your stream key. So this is exactly how you can get your YouTube stream key. And if you find this video helpful, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Asuikenna Kingsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my video, you know what to do. Make sure you hit the subscription button and make sure you turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. Like always, you guys should stay creative and remain blessed.